to walk on that floor for a minute. Can you see the fish? Can you see how the water's rippling under your feet? Now let's just kneel down
And try and catch the
fish. Alright? Then stand on a fish. Whoa. Okay, keep trying.
You can get on your hands and knees if you want. You don't have to stand up.
Yeah, you can bend down and try and catch one. Whoop!
If you go on your knees, I'll use your hands as well.
Just picture
Right.
a second.
If you want to go, you try and catch some as well on your hands and knees.
Looks like that big eye.
You see that waterfall at the back? When you go and stand underneath it, you spread your arms out. You just stand there. That's it. Now try and catch some fish.
Oh, God.
Are you alright? Let it go. Right, now children, we're going to go somewhere very, very